What is the process to initiate an IBAN transfer?
Hello everyone. In today's video, we'll be discussing how to make an international bank account number, IBAN, transfer. This is a crucial skill if you want to send money internationally, as IBAN is a standardized way of identifying bank accounts across national borders. So, let's dive in and explore the process of initiating an IBAN transfer.
What is an IBAN transfer?
First, let's clarify what we mean by an IBAN transfer. An IBAN transfer refers to an international bank transfer made using an international bank account number, IBAN. The IBAN is a unique code that identifies a specific bank account involved in the transfer of money internationally. It minimizes errors and delays in the process.
Gathering required information.
Now let's get down to the main steps. The first thing you need to do is gather the necessary information. You'll need 1. The recipient's IBAN. Make sure you double-check this to avoid any mistakes. 2. The recipient's full name and address. 3. The recipient's bank's BIC SWIFT code. This identifies their bank branch. 4. The amount of money you want to transfer. 5. Any additional information required by your bank.
Initiating the transfer.
Once you have all the information, you're ready to start the transfer process. Here are the steps. 1. Log in to your online banking account. Most banks allow you to make international transfers online. If not, you might have to visit your bank branch in person. 2. Navigate to the transfer section. This might be labeled differently depending on your bank, such as make a payment, money transfer, send money, etc. 3. Choose the option for international transfers. Again, this might be labeled differently, like international payment, send money abroad, overseas payment, etc. 4. Enter all the information you gathered earlier, including the recipient's IBAN, their name and address, their bank's BIC, SWIFT code, and the amount you're transferring. Make sure everything is correct. 5. Confirm the transfer. Before you do, double-check all the details. Some banks also require a security code or a second authorization step for international transfers, so follow any additional instructions your bank gives.
After the transfer.
Once you've confirmed the transfer, the money will be sent to the recipient's account. The time it takes will depend on your bank and any intermediaries, but it's usually between 1 and 5 working days. Keep a record of the transfer, including any confirmation numbers or receipts, in case there are any issues later on. And that's it. That's how you make an IBAN transfer. Remember to always double-check all the details before confirming the transfer, to ensure the money gets to the right place. We hope this guide has been helpful and we wish you smooth and secure international money transfers.